I made this vending machine here, and it only works with money. So let me just get, I don't know where to place this. It's like so zoomed in, like right there. So, I don't know, but I'll just show you. Holding the camera in my hand. So what you do? It's 9:45 at night. So what you do is you insert 5 cents into here. It has the instructions on the side. So you insert 5 cents. You pull the tab that is around here. You turn the machine around. You pull the tab and you collect your price at the back. So I will give you a demonstration. I just got to fill it up. So how you fill it up is you open the top. You open the top and you insert 4 prizes. And you put them on the top. Just that. There. You shut the top. Okay. To get your prize, you insert 5 cents into the hole. So this is what a 5 cents looks like. So you insert 5 cents. And it only works with money. And then what you do is you wait 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you pull and your prizes should fall out. And then you turn the machine around. And it says like have fun, collect your prizes, pull tab. So you pull this tab. It's kind of tough to open. And I've got to get the prizes out of the store. And there you have it. You have your prizes. Bye guys.